With the school year well underway, parents and students are now aware of what workload is going to be like for this year. This may cause some to ask the question, is homework bad? Stay tuned for more info. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we cover study techniques proven to help students. There's no question that homework is one of the things that makes students dislike school. Truth be told, some parents may feel the same way. Sure, most parents believe that success in school is a stepping stone to a fulfilled life and success for their kids, but sometimes parents may wonder whether homework is really worth the stress. One reason homework may be bad is that it doesn't always provide the return on the investment of time to justify the amount of time and the stress it takes to complete. If teachers are not careful or do not coordinate with each other, it's possible for students to be assigned an unreasonable amount of homework. Students who are being assigned too much homework will develop negative feelings about school and may give up as students. In addition, if students are not capable of completing the homework assigned, either because of ability or because the material was not well taught in the class, it leads to discouragement and resistance to learning. It can get especially bad for students and teachers when the stress builds at home just trying to complete the work. Another reason why homework may be bad is that it may interfere with other important life activities. While we do believe a good education is among the most important things parents can pursue for their children, it's not the only important activity. Students overburdened with homework may miss out on some important parts of being a child. Children should go to school, but it may also be important to be on a team, or learn music, or hold a job, or attend church, to name a few other important activities worth a student's time. School and homework that are not reasonable and balanced may not allow a child to develop in multiple areas. Those are two of the reasons why homework may be bad. Let's spend some time talking about where homework may be helpful. Sure, homework is principally a part of learning, but it also serves to teach life skills. Students learning to complete homework are practicing many skills they will need to be successful in college and in life. In primary education, students are taught what they need to know in the classroom. Unlike primary school, colleges do not recover all required material in class, so students are expected to teach themselves. Understanding homework and how to study are essential to success in college. In addition, the process of completing homework allows students to work on skills like time management, planning and organizing, problem solving, and personal responsibility and independence. Finally, homework is the time where concepts taught in the classroom are reinforced. Studies show that most students will recall only 50% of what is taught in the classroom. Homework allows students to fill in the gaps of knowledge missed from the classroom. Neuroscience has also revealed that as we learn, we are making stronger and faster connections between our brain's neurons. These connections become stronger and faster with more familiarity and practice. Not only does homework help fill the gaps left after a class, it helps build stronger and faster neuron connections required for learning to occur. So, to answer our initial question, is homework bad? We would say that homework is good for students. However, there are also ways homework can be used improperly to the detriment of children. We here at the Tenney School have found success with giving students ample time at school to get a lot of homework and studying done. This encouraged them to stay attentive during homeroom periods and allows them the option to talk with their teachers about their assignments with any questions they may have while completing said homework. We hope you have found this episode of TenneyTube helpful in covering some of the positive and negative aspects of homework. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and click the bell to be reminded whenever a new video is released. See you on the next one.